Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something most of us struggle with but don't fully understand: hair damage. If your hair feels dry, frizzy, or lifeless even after using all the right products, you might be surprised at what's actually causing it. So grab your coffee. Let's uncover the real culprits behind damaged hair. Let's start with one of the biggest offenders: heat styling. Blow dryers, straighteners, curling irons. They all strip away your hair's natural moisture. When exposed to high heat, the outer layer of your hair, the cuticle, cracks, and that's when frizz, dullness, and split ends sneak in. If you can smell that burnt hair scent, yep, that's actual heat damage happening. Next up, chemical treatments. We're talking bleaching, relaxing, perming, or even frequent coloring. These processes break down your hair's protein bonds, which give it structure and strength. It might look amazing right after your salon visit, but repeated exposure can make your strands weak and brittle. Now, let's talk about what's happening outside. Sun exposure, humidity, and pollution are silent but serious hair enemies. UV rays can fade your hair color and weaken its fibers. Meanwhile, pollution builds up on your scalp, clogging follicles and leading to dull, heavy hair. Believe it or not, washing your hair too often can also cause damage. Shampoos strip away natural oils that keep your scalp healthy. And using hot water? That just makes it worse. It opens up the cuticle, leaving hair vulnerable to breakage. Over time, your hair loses shine and elasticity, even if it's squeaky clean. Here's one we rarely think about: mechanical damage. That's from brushing wet hair, rough towel drying, or tight hairstyles like ponytails and braids. Your hair is weakest when wet, and all that friction leads to breakage and split ends. It's the everyday stuff that quietly takes a toll. Even the products we love, serums, sprays, and conditioners, can cause trouble if overused. Residue buildup prevents moisture and nutrients from reaching your strands. The result? Hair that looks flat, greasy, and lifeless, even though you're trying your best to care for it. So, there you have it. The true causes of hair damage hiding in plain sight. From heat and chemicals to washing habits and pollution, it's often a mix of small things that add up over time. In the next video, we'll dive into how to repair and prevent that damage, so make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and remember, your hair tells your story, so treat it with care.